Hello, good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine.
Very good. I am also fine. Okay, myself, Prafulla Mandalya, and I am from Nityanand Marg MPS School. Okay. Now, today we start our lesson with small activity. Okay. I will write something with my finger and you find out it. Okay. What can I write? Now I start. Okay. Tell me, what can I write?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very nice. Now,
Tree.
very good. Very nice.
Square. Square.
Square. Very good.
A.
Very nice. Good.
B.
Good. Good. Very good.
Triangle.
No triangle. No triangle. Again, you see proper.
A. A.
A. Very good. Very nice. All of you brilliant. Okay.
4. U.
Oh, very good.
1. L.
1. Nice.
Ten.
10. Very good. Very good. All of you clap for yourself. I also clap for you. Okay. Very nice. All of you brave. Now, so today our subject is play, do, learn. And our topic is fun with line because I show you the something. This is all for with a line. Na? So today's our topic is fun with line. First we see with different kind of line. Okay. So today we learn lines. And you know the spelling of line? Tell me the spelling of line. You know. Very good. L-I-N-E-S. Lines. You can see properly? Yes or no?
Yes.
दिख रहा है ना? Okay. Okay. Now, first, look at this. This line called, which line this?
Straight line.
Straight line. Yes, it is standing line. Yes, straight line, but it is standing line. Which line we call? Standing line. Yes, standing line. And what is the spelling of standing line?
S-T-A-N-D.
Very good. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing lines. These all are standing lines. Okay. Now and it's called also vertical line. Okay. It's called also vertical line. Yes. Next is look at this.
Vertical, horizontal line.
Yes, very good. It is horizontal line, and you can say slipping line also. Okay. It also say vertical line and it's also say horizontal line or horizontal line and slipping line. Okay. Now slipping line. What is the spelling of slipping line?
Miss, आवाज नहीं आता है.
क्या हुआ बेटा?
आवाज नहीं.
S L double E P I N G. Slipping line. It is standing line and we can known is vertical line. Vertical line, its spelling is V E R. Very good.
T
Yes.
I C E L.
C-A-L. Vertical. Okay. It's called standing line and vertical line. Standing line or vertical line. And it is
Horizontal.
yes, horizontal line. And or what we say? Or what we say? Slipping line also. Okay. We say also slipping line and horizontal line also we say. So horizontal line spelling is
H
yes.
O
H-O-R-I-Z-O yes. And T-A-L horizontal. Okay. Horizontal line also we say. Okay. Now we see next line. Okay. Look at this line.
slanting line.
Very good. It is slanting line. Okay. And what is the spelling of slanting line?
S-L-A-T-I-N-G, slanting, L-I-N-E, slanting line.
Very good. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting lines. I write here lines. So I again and again don't write. Okay. So slanting line. It is standing line or we say vertical line. It is slipping line or we say horizontal line. And this is slanting line. Okay. Now next one. Look at this line. You know which line this? This line is called?
Slanting.
No, it is slanting line. It is, yes, it is slanting line. But which line we say? This line? This.
Curve line. Curve line.
Curve line or we say zigzag line. Okay? Or we say curve line. Okay? It is zigzag line. Zigzag. Okay? Or we say, okay, this is zigzag line. Which line this is? Zigzag line. Yes. This is zigzag line. And here it is also curve line. Okay. Look at this. This is this line. Yes, this is curve line. Okay. This is curve line. Okay. Yes, this is curve line. Okay. So curve line spelling is C-U
R
yes
P
E C-U-R-V-E curve line. Okay. This is semicircle na? semicircle na, so it is curve line. Okay, it is called curve line, and it is which line this? How to look like this? You go to the sea.
Float.
Yes, float, na, floating. So it is waving line. Which line? Wave line. Yes, wavy line. Yes, it is wavy line. Okay, this line is wavy. Wavy. W-A-V-Y. It is called wavy line. Okay, so again we see. Now look at this. First one is, tell me which line?
Standing line.
Or we call, or
The line.
this is standing line, or we say also vertical line. Okay, we say
Vertical
standing
line.
line, or we call, yes,
Vertical line.
very good. This line is,
Standing line.
or we say, we also say horizontal line. Okay, slipping line or horizontal line. Okay, now look at this. Which line this?
Slanting line.
Slanting line. Very good. This is called slanting line. This line is?
Zigzag.
Yes.
Zigzag.
Very good.
Zigzag line.
Zigzag line. Yes, it is zigzag line. Zigzag line. Very good. Now this one is?
Curve.
Curve line. Very good. Curve line. Okay. And last one is?
Wave line.
Yes, it is called wavy line. Okay. Now we draw one picture. Okay. You also take your notebook and you draw with me. Okay. So take it your notebook and pencil. You draw with your pencil. Okay. And I draw with sketch pen because you see properly. So I draw with sketch pen, but you draw with pencil. Okay. Take it your notebook and pencil. You have drawing book, so you take it your drawing book. Otherwise, you take your notebook. Okay. I count only 5 numbers. You all are ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All are ready to draw a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, okay. Now all of you draw first. Look at this. Slanting line. Okay. Draw all of you. Which line this? Slanting line. Now, this one is, tell me which line?
Horizontal.
Horizontal line. All of you draw with me. Okay. All of you draw with me. Now, this line is?
Vertical.
Not vertical. Not vertical. This line is? Yes. Tell me. This one and this one. Which line? This one and this line. Which is this line? Tell me, beta. This is slanting line. Which line this?
Slanting line.
Yes, slanting line. Okay, now?
Horizontal.
Yes, slipping or horizontal line. Draw all of you. You can
Yes.
draw with me. Okay. Now here it is. Okay. This one. Draw it is. Here. This is standing line. All of you draw your standing line.
Yes.
And here also you can draw standing line. Okay, it is vertical line. And you say standing line also. Also we say standing line and vertical line. Now this is horizontal line. And we know it is sleeping line. Draw all of you.
Yes.
Okay. Now in the middle, here we can draw door. So standing line. Next is sleeping line. Again we draw standing line.
Means it is a house.
Yes, very good. House. But we draw this house. We can use different kind of line. Na? We use different kind of line. We learn na? All this line. Sleeping line, standing line, slanting line. Okay. Now, this in the rooftop, we draw. Yes. Tell me which this line?
It's my dessert.
Which line this?
Curve.
Curve line. Very good. All of you draw curve line. Draw all of you curve line. All of you see now properly? All of you
Yes.
see? Yes, very good. Draw all of you. Okay? Complete all of you?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now we draw here 1, 3. This one. Which line this also? Curve line. Okay. And here we also draw curve line. Draw all of you. Now, here we draw again curve line. Okay, next, here we draw slanting line. Two slanting line you also draw. Huh? I see your picture. Then I complete my lesson. Okay. So all of you draw. Now, done this? Done all of you?
Done.
Done all of you this? Okay. Now, next. Now, here we draw a mountain. Okay. We draw a mountain. How type of mountain? This one. Zigzag line. We draw a zigzag line. Zigzag line you draw all of you. Okay. Draw all of you. Now, in this zigzag line, we draw a sun. at this. Which line we use to draw a sun? Okay. Which line we draw? Which line we draw here to draw a sun? Draw the sun. Tell me which line we draw here. It is curve line. Which line it is? Curve line. Next, we draw a standing or slanting line. It is sun. Here it is circular line. Sun is smiling. Okay. Sun is smiling. Draw all of you. You can draw.
Yes.
Done? Yes.
Yes.
Very, very good. Okay. So this we draw this picture with a different kind of line. Okay. With a different kind of line. We use draw a picture or write a letter or write a numbers. We use is different kind of line. Okay. We use line with write a letter, number, or draw a picture. Okay. We use is different types of line. Okay. You know all the line. Now tell me this line is which line we call, which line we say, its name is?
Sleeping.
Yes, very good. This line is?
Lighting.
Huh?
Slanting.
Very good, very good. This line is?
Standing.
Very nice. This line is? Which line this? This line is? Which lines we say? You know which line this line is? Tell me which line?
Curve.
Curve line. Very good. And this line is? This line is? We draw mountain. Yes, zigzag.
Zigzag.
And here we draw grass. We draw grass. Okay, we draw grass. This is also called, this is also we say zigzag line. Okay. All of you draw this picture. Show me your picture. All of you show me your picture. All of you show me your picture. Put it your book on front of the camera. I see. Show me your drawing. You draw na this picture. You can draw na this picture. Very good, Gurjit. Very nice, Gurjit. Now, all students show me your picture, please. Radhika, very good, Radhika. Very nice. And yes, Rudra also draw nice picture. Very good, Rudra.
Teacher.
Very good. So, we draw some shapes or letter or number. We use this different type of line. Now, I show some letter. Look at this. Okay. This. Now tell me This, three. But we write these three. Which type of line? Which type of line? Yes, very good. Curve line. Very nice. Now look at this. This one, 4. And which line we use to write 4?
Standing line,
Very good.
line, and sleeping line, and
Yes.
standing line.
Yes, very good. Slanting line, slipping line, and standing line we use. Okay, now look at this. This is triangle, and in this triangle we can use which line?
Sleeping line,
Yes.
sleeping line,
And
and slanting line.
very good. Slanting line and sleeping line. Okay. Slanting line and sleeping line, or you say horizontal line also you can say. Okay. So, yes. Now look at this.
Square.
And which line we use?
Sleeping line, and sleeping line, and standing line, and standing line.
Yes, very good. Standing line and sleeping line. Standing line and sleeping line you can use. Okay. Now look at this.
Circle.
Circle. Very good. It is called circle. But which line we use?
Zero.
Curve line. Which line we use? Curve
Curve.
line. Yes, it is called curve line. Okay, it is called curve line. Okay, so we can write letter or number or sets, or we draw a picture. We use this different type of line. Okay, all of you enjoy this session?
Yes.
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 Now tell me which type of line we learn today? Which type
We learn standing line, sleeping line, and zigzag line, and we learn our
Yes, very good. Standing line, sleeping line.
line,
Slant.
and
All of you say. Okay.
standing line,
I say, next you say.
sleeping line,
Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Okay. Standing line, say.
standing line,
Sleeping line,
sleeping line,
slanting line.
slanting line,
Yes, very good. Curve line,
curve line,
zigzag line,
zigzag line,
and wavy line.
and wavy line.
Very good. So, you also use this line and draw one picture. Okay. And take a pic and send it on a WhatsApp group. Okay. Bye all of you.